Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this one, we're just going to show you how to use the Profit Gateway Bet Finder. It's really simple to use. I know there's a few options on there, a few numbers, but we're really going to make it really nice and simple. Get things set and clear in your mind so you can just jump on and use the Bet Finder yourself. So let's just get straight into it. We're going to start off at the top left of the screen, as you can see. If we press this little scroll down button, it's going to say all sports. So this toggle basically allows you to select your sport. In this example, we're going to use baseball. So we've clicked baseball. Next to that says the minimum odds. Now this is the minimum odds you want for any bet to show up. Often with an offer, the bookmaker may say, okay, we need you to have a certain amount of minimum odds. So you can change this accordingly. Similarly, you have the max odds or the maximum odds. And this normally is dependent on your bankroll and how much you want to lay down. Also, sometimes offers will say you can only have a maximum odds too, so you can change that accordingly. Then you've got the minimum rating. Now this simply tells you how close the odds are together so that you can really maximize your profit, and it's set to a minimum rating of 90% because we want closer matches. Then you can see next to it, it has max rating, which is simply maximum rating. And that just goes to 100, okay, which is obviously the highest you can have. So now we've got Sportsbook 1, and that's FanDuel. If you click this drop down, it lets you select your sportsbook that you want to use. Then we have Sportsbook 2, which is going to be our Dutching bookmaker. And again, you've got the list of bookmakers here. Then you've got Market, and that simply pertains to the type of bet you want, whether it be money line, spread, or total points. If you're unsure what these terms mean, they're mentioned in the dictionary section. But just to get us started, we've loaded up at FanDuel as our Sportsbook 1, the primary bookmaker, and BetMGM as Sportsbook 2. We can see we've been shown a range of bets, and right here is the selection with plus 265 odds and minus 275 odds, which gives a rating of 96.4%. So what we're going to do is simply load up the same game on both sides. So we can see here the league is Major League Baseball because the sport is baseball. Now we've got the San Diego Padres versus the Arizona Diamondbacks, and we're looking for the run line. So if we simply go over to FanDuel, I've loaded up the run line market here, and we can see the Arizona Diamondbacks with a minus 1.5 run line, a plus 265 odds. So we found this bet here. Now we need to go to BetMGM, load up the same game, and look for the same bet. So I've loaded up Major League Baseball. I've then gone to the Diamondbacks versus the Padres, and I can see simply where the odds say minus 275 on the plus 1.5 spread market for the opposite team. So you can see we found a bet there that has the odds it says plus 265 and minus 275. So now we've found that bet, we can simply go over to the calculator, jot in the numbers, and it will tell us what to stake.